Hey everyone, welcome back to quantprof, the ultimate platform for breaking into quant finance. Check description for more resources. Today we're going to solve a problem from a Citadel Quant interview. It's a medium difficulty problem. Let's look at the problem. Bob flips a fair coin repeatedly until he gets two heads, not necessarily consecutive. What is the probability that the total number of flips will be odd? Pause the video here if you want to give it a try. Let's look at the solution. This problem seems challenging to solve directly. One important rule in problem solving is that when faced with a difficult problem, it is better to start with a simpler version. So let's consider a modified version of the problem. What if we were asked to find the probability that the total number of flips is odd when Bob flips the coin until he gets just one head instead of two? This is easy. For the total number of flips to be odd, the first head must occur at either the first, third, fifth, and so on positions. So Bob must get H or TTH or TTTTH and so on. The required probability is the sum of the following infinite geometric series, which is equal to 2/3. So the probability that the total number of flips is odd when Bob gets just one head is 2/3. Can we use this to solve the original problem, where we stop at two heads? It turns out, yes, we can. Let's divide the sequence of coin tosses flipped by Bob into two blocks. The first block consists of the tosses until he gets the first head, and the second block consists of the tosses until he gets the second head after the first one. The total number of tosses to get two heads will be odd only when either the first block is of even length and the second block is of odd length, or the first block is of odd length and the second block is of even length. So using the law of total probability, the required probability is 1/3 into 2/3 plus 2/3 into 1/3. The first term corresponds to the probability that the first block is of even length and the second block is of odd length. Similarly, the second term corresponds to the probability that the first block is of odd length and the second block is of even length. Hence, the answer is 4/9. Candidates are given only 5 to 10 minutes to solve these problems, making it challenging to find solutions without proper preparation. Therefore, we recommend practicing as much as possible. Now let's look at a different version of the problem, which was asked at IMC Trading. Bob flips a fair coin repeatedly until he gets two heads in a row. What is the probability that the total number of flips is odd? Try to solve this one on your own. We hope you liked the video. If you are serious about excelling in quant interviews, we invite you to check out our course, Quant Interview Masterclass. It covers the entire theory and contains over 1,000 high-quality problems, including company-specific problems from recent interviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Until then, Godspeed.